So regarding, I don't remember which exercise it was. We talked about like at the slow speeds, it was hard to like keep the sound going. I mean, yeah, that's kind of an inevitable. It's an inevitable thing at some of those legato things at slow paces, especially if you don't have a lot of compression. So, not a big deal there. It all sounded good there. Um, so because you said the pinky issue seems to really only happen when you have 3 fingers involved. Well, here's your new exercise. So, kind of simplified it here a bit. And basically, your index finger is going to be going to all the dots, like or at least the odd numbered frets here. Number 1 doesn't have a dot. It's basically 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. So, what you're doing, you got your hands set up. Like you use your middle finger, and I use the ring. That's fine. Just keep using what you're using. So same idea, just take your time with it, no speed or anything is necessary, it's just to kind of get used to the motion and then increase the stretch as you progress further and further. So I don't have the whole thing up on screen right now, but basically, yeah, starting up on the 19, 11, 13 there. Oops, the mouse pointing. 19, 11, 13, and then working your way all the way down to 1, 3, and 5. So basically what you got, let me turn this up a little bit. So you see you're like, get your finger set up, pull off like to the middle there, hammer back on, then pull. And even though there's like no gap in the spacing here, like from here to here, take your time getting to the next part. So just play the whole thing here, and I'll take my time going from one bar to the next. You just get down as far as you can there. Alright, number 2. So we just got really 2 more legato things to try out here, and then we'll be moving on to 16th notes next time. And so this one might be kind of funky to look at as far as making sure you get the slur marks not confused with the tie marks, but you're basically doing 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4, and then straight 8th notes there. So it's 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and done. All right, here we go. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Speed again. 1, 2, 3, 4. chord if you like. And yes, shaking the hell out of that whammy bar. That's exactly what you do with the old tremolo system. 100 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. So this one, basically, when you do the repeat, I want you to do this slide here. So you get a slide from the B note back to the A note when you start the repeat. So you're only picking the first note. That's it. It's another one that might look confusing. Making sure you don't mistake slur lines for tie lines or tie marks. So basically, you always have like a beat and a half, beat and a half, beat and a half. So this is a polyrhythm that we've done with the chord strumming and single note picking patterns. So you've got 2 notes being evenly spaced across 3 beats. So there's 2 notes you hear that you play spaced across 3 beats. So it happens again there, happens again there, and one more time here. And then just straight 8th notes again at the end here. So it might be a bit tricky, but that's one reason why this is the last one. So again, only pick the first note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my volume really likes to decrease going from this B note and sliding up to the C note. So if that happens for you, it's one of those things of, yeah, at the slower speed, it's definitely going to happen. 100 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just realized I didn't go to 160 on the last one. I'm like stuck in single note picking pattern. Alright, I'll do 140 on this and then do 160 on the other one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $160 now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was not a slide. I was supposed to slide. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there we go. And back to this for the 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. I think I got it all right this time. So yeah, if any questions come up, let me know. And then plan on seeing you the new time, Thursday, 5:30. All right. See you then.